Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube TV on multiple TVs in your home so your family can enjoy shows on different screens at the same time. Step 1. Sign in on your primary TV. Open YouTube TV on your main smart TV or streaming device. Sign in with your YouTube TV account. Step 2. Check your membership limits. YouTube TV allows up to 3 simultaneous streams with 1 subscription. Make sure your account supports the number of TVs you want to use. Step 3. Sign in on additional TVs. On the other TVs, open YouTube TV and sign in using the same account. You may need to enter a code from tv.youtube.com/start to activate each device. Step 4. Control streams. You can watch different channels on each TV at the same time. The app will notify you if you reach the 3-device limit. Step 5. Use separate accounts for more TVs. If you want more than 3 TVs, you can create additional family accounts using the Family Group feature. Each member gets their own login and can watch independently. Step 6. Troubleshooting tips. Make sure all TVs are connected to the internet. Update the YouTube TV app on each device. Sign out and back in if a device isn't displaying the content. And that's it. You now know how to watch YouTube TV on multiple TVs at the same time. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.